Sanders farm beds. Today we're ploughing one of our worst fields, doesn't ever grow anything. Faces north and is usually damp, so we've had a dry couple of weeks, so we're gonna have a go at cultivating it and reseeding it. So behind me, what you can't quite see, is my 10 furrow conventional plough, which is probably pretty unconventional these days. We bought this, it's a shallow plough, it's an Ovlac mini. We have a lot of rocks in our farm, so we wanted something to cultivate the fields with that didn't pull them all up. We tried a rotavator, which was bloody slow, and had to do a couple of passes. And then we got some heavy discs, which left loads of clods, which meant that the grass seed didn't take very well. So we scoured the internet for a shallow plough and we found one, Ovlac mini. So we can plough about 4 inches instead of the normal 6-ish. So hopefully pulling up a lot less stones. Although this field we're doing today, I've pulled up some lumpers. So I hate to think what I'd be pulling up if I was going in a couple more inches. You won't do a tidier job as a normal plough. Everyone will look at it and go, bloody hell, what a mess. But as soon as it's rolled and power harrowed, it looks amazing compared to anything else we've ever done. We've had contractors come here and refuse to come back basically because the rocks are so big. So this is a pretty handy machine. Although, because my dad was feeling tight that day, we only bought a conventional because the reversible was another 8-9 grand. So I'm gonna have to do like this and back up the field. It's a pretty big machine, like I said, it's 10 furrows, so it's covering about 3.8 meters at a time, so it's pretty quick. And my tractor can reverse to 40k, so no problem. It's been a really dry last few weeks here. We've hardly had anything, and the ground is rock hard for a spring. It's absolutely ridiculous. The grass has stopped growing. We put fertilizer on, but it's just yellow. Hopefully it'll warm up a bit and it will start to grow. There is still a little bit of moisture in the ground.